Have you ever imagined being afraid of something as necessary and enjoyable as food? Imagine a piece of bread or a glass of milk could potentially cause an emergency. Yes, you've heard it right. Today on Brilliance, we are shedding light on a topic that affects millions of people worldwide: food allergies. From understanding what they are, to recognizing their symptoms, prevention, and treatments, we're here to guide you through it all. So stick with us till the end, because we'll share a food allergy mystery that even scientists are puzzled by. Food allergies. Some of you might brush it off as a mild annoyance. Others know it's a matter of life and death. Food allergies occur when our bodies mistakenly treat harmless proteins in certain foods as a dangerous invader, triggering an immune response. These allergies can cause mild reactions like rashes, or severe ones like anaphylaxis, which can be life-threatening. Most food allergies are caused by 8 types of food: milk, eggs, peanuts, tree nuts, soy, wheat, fish, and shellfish. You could say these are the unwanted 8 of the food world. You might wonder, why these foods? Well, their proteins have structures that our immune system finds particularly suspicious. Allergic reactions can range from mild to severe and may occur within minutes or up to 2 hours after eating the culprit food. Mild reactions include itching, hives, and a runny nose, while severe symptoms can involve difficulty breathing, a dramatic drop in blood pressure, and even loss of consciousness. Remember, though, everyone's reaction is unique. Just like we all have our unique fingerprint, we have our unique allergic response. Diagnosis usually involves a combination of a skin test, a blood test, and a food diary. In some cases, a controlled food challenge might be needed. Sounds like a fun challenge, right? Well, it's a little less fun when you realize it involves eating a suspected allergen under medical supervision. It's crucial not to self-diagnose and self-treat. When it comes to food allergies, it's best to leave it to the professionals. Unfortunately, as of now, there is no cure for food allergies. The main approach is avoiding allergenic foods, which, let's admit, can be a bummer. But recent research shows promise in therapies like oral immunotherapy, where you are given small, gradually increasing amounts of the allergenic food under medical supervision. Although it might sound like a food challenge on a dare, it's a method that's been shown to help some individuals tolerate the allergen. Living with food allergies is about more than just avoiding certain foods. It's about reading food labels, educating others about your allergy, and always being prepared with an action plan in case of accidental exposure. It's not an easy journey, but remember, you're not alone in this. Many support groups and resources can help make this path a little less daunting. And now, to that cliffhanger we promised. Did you know that scientists are baffled by the fact that some food allergies can appear out of the blue in adulthood? That's right. Even if you've been indulging in shrimp cocktails or peanut butter sandwiches all your life, one day your body might just decide to say no more. Scientists are still unraveling this mystery, and we'll keep you updated on any breakthroughs. Remember, food allergies might make life a little challenging, but they don't define who you are. Embrace your unique journey, educate yourself and others, and never let allergies dim your brilliance. Until next time, keep shining.